Greetings, health enthusiasts and foodies around the world. Welcome to a new episode full of flavor, health, and simplicity. In the next few minutes, we are going to delve into the world of quinoa stir-fry. Now you might ask, what is this quinoa stir-fry we're talking about? Well, it's a simple, healthy, and utterly delicious dish that combines the goodness of quinoa with a variety of vibrant vegetables and a flavorful sauce. This dish is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. And the best part? We're going to share not just one, but several quick and nutritious recipes for this fantastic dish. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, there's something in here for everyone. So, buckle up and prepare yourselves for a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and boost your health. So, what exactly is quinoa stir-fry? Let's dive in. Quinoa, an ancient grain hailing from South America, has been a dietary staple for centuries due to its rich nutritional profile. Packed with proteins, fiber, and an assortment of vitamins and minerals, quinoa serves as a robust base for our stir-fry. Now, let's talk about the stir-fry part. At its most basic, a quinoa stir-fry involves sautéing a variety of vibrant vegetables in a large pan or wok. If you're not strictly vegetarian or vegan, you might also include a protein source like chicken, shrimp, or tofu. The final touch to our stir-fry is the sauce. This can be as simple as a mix of soy sauce and sesame oil, or as complex as a homemade teriyaki or peanut sauce. Armed with this knowledge, you are ready to embark on the journey of creating your own quinoa stir-fry. Our first recipe is a basic quinoa stir-fry, a fantastic starting point for beginners. For this, you'll need a cup of cooked quinoa, a medley of your favorite veggies, some olive oil, and a dash of soy sauce. Begin by heating the oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Toss in your veggies, sautéing until they're slightly softened. Then add in your quinoa, stirring it all together until everything is well combined. Finally, pour in your soy sauce, giving your stir-fry that savory flavor we all adore. Now let's talk nutrition. Quinoa is a superfood packed with protein and fiber, making it a hearty base for any meal. Toss in those colorful veggies and you're getting a variety of vitamins and minerals. All in all, this basic quinoa stir-fry is not just tasty, but also a perfect balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. A simple yet delicious meal, isn't it? If you enjoy a bit of heat in your meals, our second recipe, spicy quinoa stir-fry, is perfect for you. For this fiery delight, you'll need cooked quinoa, a medley of your favorite vegetables, and a dash of chili flakes or a spicy sauce of your choice. Start by stir-frying your vegetables in a hot pan with a little oil. Add your spices and cooked quinoa and mix well until everything is beautifully combined. This dish is a great opportunity to use up any leftover veggies in your fridge, making it as versatile as it is delicious. This spicy quinoa stir-fry is not just packed with flavor, but also brimming with nutritional value. Quinoa is a whole grain that's rich in protein and fiber, while the vegetables add a plethora of vitamins and minerals. The capsaicin in the chili can even boost your metabolism. Get ready for a fiery, nutritious experience with this one. Next up, we have two special recipes: vegan quinoa stir-fry and seafood quinoa stir-fry. These unique versions promise to delight your taste buds while keeping your health at the forefront. Let's start with the vegan quinoa stir-fry. For this, you'll need cooked quinoa, a medley of your favorite veggies like bell peppers, carrots, and zucchini, a handful of cashews for that extra crunch, and soy sauce or tamari for flavor. The magic begins when you stir-fry these ingredients together, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. This dish is not only visually appealing with its vibrant colors, but it's also packed with plant-based protein from the quinoa and cashews, fiber from the veggies, and a good dose of vitamins and minerals. Now let's dive into the seafood quinoa stir-fry. This one calls for cooked quinoa, a mix of seafood like shrimp and scallops, an assortment of vegetables, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for garnish. Again, everything is stir-fried together, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. The seafood adds a unique twist, providing high-quality protein and essential omega-3 fatty acids. The veggies contribute fiber, while the quinoa and sesame seeds add a boost of whole grains and healthy fats. Preparing these dishes is as simple as it gets. Start by sautéing your veggies in a hot pan, then add your protein, either the cashews or the seafood. Once these are nicely browned, toss in your cooked quinoa and stir-fry for another couple of minutes. Finally, add your soy sauce or tamari, give everything a good mix, and voila! Your delicious and nutritious quinoa stir-fry is ready. These two versions of quinoa stir-fry are incredibly versatile. You can switch up the veggies based on what's in season or what you have on hand, and you can even play around with different types of protein. The possibilities are endless, making it a perfect dish for those who love to experiment in the kitchen. Whether you're a vegan or a seafood lover, we've got you covered. These recipes are a testament that healthy food doesn't have to be boring. It can be flavorful, colorful, and most importantly, enjoyable. Moving on to our next two recipes, chicken quinoa stir-fry and tropical quinoa stir-fry. For the chicken quinoa stir-fry, you'll need chicken breast, quinoa, a medley of your favorite vegetables, and a splash of soy sauce. Begin by sautéing your chicken until it's cooked through, then set it aside. In the same pan, stir-fry your vegetables until they're vibrant and slightly tender. Combine the cooked quinoa and chicken and finish it off with a splash of soy sauce. This stir-fry is a protein powerhouse, with the chicken and quinoa combined providing a hefty dose of essential amino acids. Plus, the vegetables add a necessary fiber boost, making this dish a well-rounded meal. Now, let's jet off to a tropical paradise with our tropical quinoa stir-fry. You'll need quinoa, pineapple chunks, bell peppers, red onion, and a handful of cashews. Start by stir-frying the bell peppers and red onion until they're slightly tender. Add in the pineapple chunks and let it all simmer together, allowing the flavors to meld. Mix in the cooked quinoa and cashews, and there you have it. A vibrant dish that's bursting with flavor. This tropical version is a vitamin C powerhouse, thanks to the pineapple and bell peppers. The quinoa and cashews add a delightful crunch, while also providing a healthy dose of protein and good fats. Each stir-fry offers its own unique set of nutrients. The chicken quinoa stir-fry is rich in protein and fiber, making it a perfect post-workout meal. On the other hand, the tropical quinoa stir-fry, with its vitamin C and good fats, is an excellent choice for boosting your immune system and heart health. From a hearty chicken dish to a tropical delight, these recipes offer something for everyone. Now that you've been introduced to the versatile world of quinoa stir-fry, it's your turn to try these recipes. We've journeyed together through the basics, spiced things up a bit, explored vegan and seafood options, and even adventured into the realms of chicken and tropical flavors. Each recipe is a testament to the versatility and nutritional power of quinoa, a true superfood. Remember, each of these recipes is just a starting point. Feel free to get creative. Add your favorite ingredients, switch up the spices, or even introduce new flavors. After all, the best part about cooking is making a dish your own. So why not give it a go? Try out these quick, nutritious, and flavorful quinoa stir-fry recipes and let the magic of cooking unfold in your kitchen. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Stay healthy, keep cooking, and see you in the next video.